Govee reached out and asked if I wanted to take a look at their brand new Govee Table Lamp 2 Pro. As a smart lighting enthusiast, I was excited because of the vast number of lighting settings Govee devices include. Plus, this device also has a built-in speaker for music. What's more, the lamp can also be integrated into your smart home via different platforms, so I was really curious to see how it performed. The Govee Lamp 2 Pro is the bigger sibling to the Govee Table Lamp 2. Both devices feature a smart light that can be programmed with over 100 different effects, but the key difference for the Lamp 2 Pro is the included speaker by JBL, the American audio equipment manufacturer owned by Samsung. Unlike other Govee smart lights, such as my Christmas light setup shown in a previous video, the Lamp 2 Pro offers a key distinction. Instead of only using the built-in microphone to detect external music, it can also directly synchronize with music played through the main speaker via a Bluetooth connection from a playback device such as your phone. Another key difference is that the Lamp 2 Pro is portable. Inside the device is a large 5200 mAh battery that enables you to disconnect it from the mains and move it around your home. This includes being able to take it outside. The inclusion of the speaker makes it a great device for relaxing in your backyard or for entertainment on your balcony. The unit is a very attractive device in its own right. The rounded shape that features a clear window at the bottom is very appealing. Standing at a little over 13 inches tall and 7 inches wide, it's quite a squat device too. Thanks to its battery and speaker, it weighs around 4 pounds, which makes it feel like a solid piece of hardware. Around the top of the device are capacitive buttons to control the basic functions of the lamp, plus a resistive button to toggle the lamp on or off with a tap, or a longer 3-second press to restart or shut down the lamp completely. To the left of the power button is a microphone used for monitoring the lamp surroundings for music input to control the lamp in music mode when you're not using Bluetooth playback. To the right is an LED power indicator. The volume buttons also double up as a brightness control too when depressed longer. Light presses will just increase or reduce the volume during Bluetooth playback or when the lamp is being used for white noise. The play button is used to toggle between playing audio or white noise, but when held down longer will start the Bluetooth pairing process so the lamp can be discoverable on your chosen playback device like your phone. Setup is straightforward, although thanks to the inclusion of the new Matter protocol for connecting smart devices, if you're a Google smart home user like myself, it's designed to be connected to your smart home more efficiently. If you're not interested in connecting to your smart home, you can simply connect via Bluetooth to your phone for audio playback. All you have to do is hold down the play button to start the Bluetooth handshake. The lamp will automatically appear in your discoverable devices list on your phone or other device. A Bluetooth connection is required to be able to stream music or other audio though. The Lamp 2 Pro also features the ability to connect via your home's 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network, so you can operate the lamp beyond your Bluetooth radio range, as well as connecting the lamp to your smart home or for downloading firmware updates. The main lamp consists of 210 LED lights hidden beneath the translucent shell. It's the high number and density of the lights that supports the vast array of 100+ lighting scenes and animations available in the app. As detailed later, you can also create your own designs using the app too. The official Govee app provides the full control, but as mentioned you can also set a smaller number of preset lighting options for use with the capacitive mode button on the lamp itself. The main lamp compares to the performance you'd expect of a more traditional table lamp with a peak brightness of 600 lumens. For reference, it's the equivalent of a 60-watt incandescent bulb. The Lamp 2 Pro also features a secondary lamp in the base, which can be operated independently of the main lamp. While it lacks the complexity of the main lamp, it will still emulate some of the simple hues from the available scenes. I could see this being ideal as a nightlight where you want some gentle illumination. The other main feature of the Lamp 2 Pro is the built-in JBL speaker. It's a 10-watt 2.5-inch speaker, which is a good size for small to medium-sized rooms in my house. Plus, the marketing explains that there's a 500 cubic centimetre cavity within the unit. This is the airspace behind the driver, which influences its sound characteristics, particularly bass response. In theory, it's a great way to improve bass performance without having to have a bigger or dedicated driver and cones. Importantly, the speaker has a very low latency between your playback device, such as your phone, and the drivers themselves. There is an acceptable delay when stopping and starting playback, as well as skipping tracks. Related to this, the JBL speaker features a 32 millisecond response time between the music being played and the lights reacting on the unit. You'll be really hard pressed to notice any kind of latency when using the Lamp 2 Pro for music playback lighting scenes, which is important. Any kind of latency would be noticeable and negatively impact the experience. The 5200 mAh battery is a smart addition to the feature set of the light, but it's worth noting that it will last approximately 4.5 hours at 50% settings for the volume and light brightness. Music mode will drain the battery a little faster at 4 hours total playing time. In my experience, I find this more than enough time in most situations where I want to listen to music around my home or on my patio. Personally, I'm rarely away from a power supply for too long, so being able to unplug the lamp and enjoy it outside is a great feature. One of the coolest features I spotted in the marketing was the ability to pair two Lamp 2 Pros together to create stereo playback. I could see this being a fun use case if you're lucky enough to own two of the devices. Setup is via utilising your home network's 5 GHz network to reduce latency between the devices, which is super important with a wireless stereo setup. If you're already using Govee smart lights in your home entertainment setup, you'll be pleased to know that the Lamp 2 Pro also supports Govee's Dream View. Dream View seamlessly mirrors your screen content and music and synchronises your lights to react in real time. The centerpiece of the Lamp 2 Pro's functionality is realised by using the official Govee app. The app features a bewildering array of options for lighting, which is going to keep all types of users happy. There is the basic hue control where you can create simple colour changes or even create gradients between various customisable colours. However, there are also 100 preset light designs split into 8 categories for quick access. Under the illumination category, you can set more traditional hues and temperature for different moods too, and save any edits as new scenes. Under the music category, you'll find 17 distinct scenes. These are divided into 2 types: dynamic scenes, ideal for upbeat or party music, and gentler scenes suitable for softer tunes. Additionally, the effect carousel allows you to combine various scenes, which will then automatically rotate during playback for added variety. Under the DIY category, you can create your own animations. With some time and motivation, the sky is the limit for your creations based on your hobbies, sports teams you follow, and other sources of inspiration that involve colours. One particularly fun feature is the ability to create basic illustrations using a grid, and then even animate that using stop motion. Bear in mind that the display, being a translucent shell, won't be sharp, so anything overly detailed probably won't be displayed as you'd expect. Another new addition to the app is the ability to use Govee's AI chatbot to create fun prompts for the AI to render for you. There are even more options and features available under the More menu. Here you can set timers for automatically turning the Lamp 2 Pro on and off and what scenes to use. Snapshot enables you to record the current display on the lamp and save it as a bookmark for access later, or incorporating it into shortcuts for quickly launching any custom scenes. Govee's autoplay feature in the app allows you to create a sequence of playlists or various lighting effects to run automatically on your Govee smart lights. Instead of manually changing the scenes or DIY effects, autoplay automates the process, letting your lights cycle through different patterns, colours and animations. The Effects Lab within the Govee Home app is a creative tool that enables users to explore, create and share advanced lighting effects on their Govee smart lights. The process involves choosing colours from fun named palettes to add to your colour library for quick access when you're making your DIY creations. Colour Chest is a tool that enables you to apply specific colour values to your Govee smart lights at a very granular level. It includes a colour wheel to help you make objectively attractive choices of colours to go together. The Govee Table Lamp 2 Pro offers a selection of preset white noise options, including rain, nature sounds, fan and ocean waves. However, an internet connection is necessary to utilise these features. Thanks to its Matter compatibility and integration with Alexa and Google Assistant, you can activate specific white noise sounds using voice commands. This requires linking your Govee account to your preferred voice assistant. Examples of potential voice commands include play rain sounds on Govee Table Lamp Pro, or hey, turn on white noise on my Govee lamp. The final important feature in the app is the ability to reprogram the mode button. In the device settings, you can navigate to the preset features and edit the colours and scenes you want the lamp to cycle through. As I talk about regularly on my channel, for all my videos, I run a mainly Google smart home with multiple Google Nest speakers and even an old Google audio dongle attached to my Control 4 system. While the Lamp 2 Pro doesn't feature Google Assistant or Amazon Alexa built in, you can connect your smart home via the Matter protocol. Once connected, you won't need the Govee app for simple controls like turning the lights on and off, control the brightness, or setting solid colours on your lamp. Plus, you'll be able to use basic voice control commands. You can also integrate the lamp into your smart home using Google Home automations. Google Home's expanded triggers include motion sensors for presence-based lighting, phone location for geofencing routines, and time-based scheduling or occupancy. It's also possible to integrate the lamp into other smart home setups using Amazon Alexa, IFTTT, and Razer 2. The Govee Table Lamp 2 Pro is a great entertainment device. I've had a lot of fun using it, and whenever I show it to new people, they remark on the design and sound quality. One of my children has already earmarked it for their own use whenever they can. Just like a lamp, it's not designed to illuminate an entire room over a certain size at 600 lumens, but what it does do is add an interesting element to your room ambience even when you're not playing music. However, when you are playing music, it's very comparable to my Google Nest audio speaker, which has great sound reproduction. The speaker can also get pretty loud without distorting, and the 500cc cavity provides a satisfying amount of bass. It also sounds nice and easy to hear in outdoor settings too. The lamp is bright and visible in anything but direct sunlight, and you can simply conserve battery power by turning off the lamps if you're using it outside on a sunny day anyway. If you're chilling out or having a small party, it's ideal to add a bit of fun to your activities. It's not going to be the device you use to blast music throughout a house party, but it won't disappoint in other settings either. While you can integrate it into your smart home via the Matter connection, I personally wish it featured Google Assistant to be able to stream music directly, rather than having to use a Bluetooth connection. Also, having the ability to control it via voice directly instead of via an adjacent smart speaker would be nice. If you're in the market for a lamp that offers more than just colour changing capabilities, the Govee Table Lamp 2 Pro would definitely catch my interest. Its integrated speaker and battery powered portability make it an excellent solution for home entertainment. Thank you for watching, and as always, it would be great if you were to like the video and subscribe to my channel for more content on personal technology and the connected home.